god, we're so original!
Yeah! Keep it in the mirror!
Oh, hi, Natalie. So if I get closer to the mirror, am I getting closer to the camera?
Well, you get bigger, yeah. Like, in the bad sense, though.
Oh.
When you get fat.
You see? I guess I should go vomit now. Oh. Did you gag yourself?
Maybe.
Oh, my head, it's just this dang hat's in the way.
Take that off!
No! You're so unfortunate looking.
Dude, like, you can talk. Dude, I think you stop making that face. Nat.
What?
There is unrest in the kitchen. There is trouble with the tea. For Heather wants more honey, and Mom ignores her pleas.
This song sucks.
Yeah, it does.
And the tea screams oppression! Oppression! Grandpa! Where are the buffalo wings? Grandpa used to have awkward silences too. Didn't you, Grandpa?
Now he's silent,
But not awkward.
Nat, wait! Porno in the mirror. My face, my favorite.
That's not sexy. No, do you smell that? I like Blizzard. God, this is getting longer.
I got a fart.
Oh my god, dude, on camera, dude.
Dude, no, I have to shit, never mind.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Turn the camera off and then come record me taking my... Go to the bathroom, come on.